Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to download and install MySQL on Windows 11. So whether you are a learning database or a college student, then this video is very helpful for you. So are you ready? Let's get started. First, open any browser in your system. I'm using Google Chrome and search MySQL and enter. Here you can see the official website of MySQL. Click on it. Now click on downloads. After scrolling, you can see MySQL community GPL downloads. Click on it. Here you can see MySQL installer for Windows. Now click on it. After scrolling, you can see two versions of MySQL. First one is 2.1 MB and second one is 354 MB. So and also you can see this both are 32-bit, so it will also support for 64-bit. So we will choose 354 MB. So now click on it and no thanks, just start my download. Click on it, save, and here you can see downloading is started. It will take few seconds or few minutes depending on your internet speed. So let's wait. After completion the download, right click and open. Here you can see setup type. So basically setup type is four types: server only, client only, full and custom. So we will choose custom and click on next. Here you can see select products. So MySQL server, expand this and expand MySQL server, expand MySQL server 8.0. Click on it and click on arrow, drag it, product to be installed. Here also click on applications, MySQL Workbench. Click on MySQL Workbench 8.0. Select this and click on arrow. Also MySQL Shell, click on it. Click on MySQL Shell 8.0 and select this and click on arrow. So basically we will go installation for all three products. So click on next. Click on execute. Here you can see installing is started. So let's wait. After completion the installation, click on next. Click on next. Here you can see type and networking. Port is 3306. P default and click on next. Click on next. Here enter your password. And click on next. Also you can see Windows service MySQL 80. Click on next. Click on next. Click on execute and wait. After completion the configuration, click on finish. Click on next. Click on finish and minimize. Now we have to set up the environment variable. Click on this PC. Click on Windows C. Program files. After scrolling, you can see MySQL. Click on MySQL Server 8.0, bin, copy this path, Control C, minimize, search your environment variable, open, click on environment variable. Here you can see system variable, click on path, click on new and paste here, Control V and OK, OK and OK. Now search CMD in search bar, CMD, right here MySQL version and enter. Here you can see latest version is 8.0.43. Minimize this. Now search again CMD and enter. Right here MySQL -u root -p for password and enter. Enter your password and enter. Now let's create our database. First check the default database. So databases and enter. Here you can see default databases are visible here. So let's create our new database. Create database and database name Rafi DB and enter. Here you can see one row is affected. Let's check our database. So right here, so databases and enter. Here you can see my database is Rafi DB. So that's it. Now minimize this. Now you can see our database using MySQL Workbench. So right here MySQL, and here you can see MySQL Workbench. Double click and click on it, local instance MySQL 80, and enter your password and click on OK. Here you can see schemas. Click on it and you can see our database is RafiDB. So that's it. We have successfully installed our MySQL database in Windows 11 PC. So if you found this video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you guys.